The Mini NAS is factory installed with a hard drive tray inside the NAS. The data and power cables are connected, and cable management. When the power button is pressed in the Mini NAS factory, the fan and hard drive turn on. The LED lights up. The screwdriver in the Mini NAS factory rotates slowly, each rotation creating a tight connection inside the case. At the Mini NAS factory, a conveyor belt runs in the distance of the factory, its continuous mechanical hum filling the atmosphere. The thermal paste tube is squeezed in the Mini NAS factory. A light pressure sound can be heard in the silence.
Power screws are tightened in the Mini NAS factory. Mechanical precision can be heard in every rotation.
Is installed in the hard drive tray at the factory. You can hear it slide perfectly.
The second hard drive is prepared in the same way in the Mini NAS factory, maintaining the rhythm of the factory.
Cable is connected to the Mini NAS factory. A light crunching sound of the cable can be heard. Is installed in the Mini NAS factory, and you can hear it sliding into place. The NAS unit is placed in the middle of the table in the Mini NAS factory, making a heavy sitting sound.
factory eliminates the noise from the factory behind, and the NAS's own sound becomes clear.
The soft clicking sound of the drive in the Mini NAS factory indicates data life.
This Mini NAS is now fully ready at the Mini NAS factory, ready to work uninterruptedly and reliably.
The dual-core processor handles 4K transcoding with ease, making this the perfect media server for your home office.